This is the truMedic back massager, neck massager, purchased from Costco.com. We're going to unbox it now. Right here, truMedic InstaShiatsu full body massager with heat. Okay, personal shiatsu massage. My number is the IS-3000PRO. Or IS, yeah. Okay. Open this up. Here it is. We've got here product registration, do not return place of purchase, instruction manual. Okay, 3 massage speeds, long-lasting lithium-ion battery, adjustable Velcro arm straps. All right. Control panel. Guess that's about it. All right, let's try it out. Wow. Let's see this thing. Oh yeah, press it on. It turns on right away. Comes charged, ready to go. Oh, that's the heat now. Okay. And this is the change direction. I guess this is the second speed. This is slow speed, medium speed, high speed. All right. It has some Velcro straps in here. Velcro. Okay, let's see. Oh. You kind of put your arm in here. Kind of hold it in. All right, let's try the first speed. Oh. Ah. Okay. Not bad. Well positioned. I guess you could kind of put your head back here. Oh, get some tightness. Okay. Let's try a high. This is a slow speed. Oh, so that was the highest speed. Oh, yeah. think I like the highest speed the best. Let's see, is there some heat on? Let's see if I can tell the difference. Oh, hey, it kind of changed by itself. Oh, it has like a program or something. Oh. Yeah, it's not bad. Ah. Yeah, it's pretty strong. Let me see, was this actually with the heat on? It's kind of hard to tell. So this is not the heat, so this is the heat. Let's see if I can feel actual heat. Oh, this is kind of unwieldy. Okay. Just a little heat, not too much. Feeling a little bit more, but just slightly warm. Let me just hold your arms like this and relax. And then it rotates, it pauses and changes the direction now by itself. Okay. Guess it's really good. There's really not much heat at all, but yeah, the massage itself feels pretty good. Just trying to relax. Okay. This is it, the truMedic InstaShiatsu personal shiatsu massage IS-3000PRO.